Foundation issues are a massive headache for any homeowner, often signaling expensive repairs and structural risks. But what if I told you the same tech used in Formula One cars and spacecraft could be the key to saving your basement? I'm Justin with Dalinghaus Construction, and today we're talking about carbon fiber foundation repair, a modern, durable, and cost-effective way to stop your walls from bowing and your foundation from failing. So what is this stuff? Carbon fiber is a material made of at least 92% carbon content. If it hits 99%, we call it graphite fiber. The strength factor. It is incredibly lightweight, but remarkably strong, even more so than steel. Industrial roots. Because it resists heat, chemicals, and deformation under long-term stress, it was originally used in aerospace and high-performance automotive industries. The repair process. In foundation work, we use high-strength epoxy to bond carbon fiber straps directly to your damaged walls. Once that epoxy cures, the reinforcement is permanent and can even be painted over so you can barely know it's there. Why are more homeowners choosing this over traditional methods? Non-invasive. Unlike older methods that require digging up your yard, this process is entirely internal. You don't even have to leave your house while we work. Space savers. Because the straps are thin and lightweight, they are perfect for tight or hard to reach crawl spaces where bulky steel beams just won't fit. Durability. Carbon fiber doesn't corrode, rust, or break down over time. It handles moisture and temperature shifts without breaking a sweat. Speed. Most installations take a few hours to a single day. That means minimal disruption to your life. How do you know if your home is a candidate? Look for these warning signs. Bowing walls. If your basement walls are leaning inward, you need to act fast. Pro tip, if the wall is bowed more than 3 inches, carbon fiber might not be enough, so catching it early is vital. Wall cracks. Whether they're vertical, horizontal, or diagonal, cracks mean your foundation is shifting. Stair-step cracks. If you see cracks following the mortar joints and concrete blocks, that's a sign of significant lateral movement. Failing past repairs. If a previous fix is starting to flake or show new stress, carbon fiber can provide necessary secondary reinforcement. Let's talk numbers. Carbon fiber is generally much more affordable than traditional excavation or I-beam installation because it requires less labor and fewer materials. Per strap, you're looking at roughly $800 to $1,000 per strap. Typical project. The average foundation repair job using this tech often lands around $5,000. Long-term ROI. Because it requires almost zero maintenance after it's installed, you're looking at significant long-term savings. Prevention is always the best medicine. Keep your gutters clean, ensure proper drainage away from your house, and fix plumbing leaks immediately to keep your soil stable. If you're already seeing those cracks or bowing walls, don't settle for a temporary fix. Dalinghaus Construction serves Southern California, Arizona, and Nevada with seasoned experts who know how to do it right the first time. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell so you don't miss our next home improvement guide.